Come test drive the 2018 Sierra 1500. The GMC Sierra is a full-size pickup with all the functionality you could expect. With multiple trim levels, the GMC Sierra provides a wide range of features for you to enjoy. Power and advanced technology can both be found in this fantastic truck. So here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, traction control, power sunroof, remote engine start, navigation system, power passenger seat, dual airbags, air conditioning, chrome mirror caps, power steering. Your new ride is just a phone call away.